Mga kababayan, Seafood City Food Hall is now open! We're excited to finally introduce the Seafood City Food Hall. Aside from the Grill City, Bakers Avenue, and the Everyday Lechon, we now have Sizzle, Halo Halo, Noodle Street, and Kakanin Korner. Sizzle offers sisig, silog, and bulalo, where every dish hits the plate hot and loud. Classic Filipino favorites served on sizzling plates. A fun, fast, and full of flair dining experience that keeps Filipino food exciting.
And being able to have so many more choices to let the community really get a taste of what it means to be a part of Filipino culture, it's great.
They also have the Halo Halo Corner, serving halo halo, tropical drinks, juices, and icy desserts. And they also have this large halo halo to share with friends and family.
The ultimate treat to share and enjoy, especially pag summer.
And there's more at Noodle Street. Hot pot, dim sum, and tempura. Noodle dishes and Asian street food. Here, hot pot meets Pinoy classics like bulalo, kare-kare, and beef mami in rich broths. Grabe na to! Kaya nyo pa ba? Kasi meron pang Kakanin Korner!
The sweet side of Filipino tradition!
Bibingka, biko, suman, puto, the perfect present for everybody. Seafood City has always been a home for Filipinos abroad, and now we're bringing more of home to you. Our food hall is now bigger and better, offering new flavors and experiences to satisfy every craving. Kaya tara na and taste the flavors of home at Seafood City Food Hall in Sugar Land, Texas.